Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about Clive Peck. And Clive Peck is a former JCF officer that died in Libya recently. It says the police high command has expressed its condolences to the family of Clive Peck, a former member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force and United Nations employee who died tragically in Libya last weekend. Clive Peck was one of the 3 United Nations workers killed in a bomb attack in Libya, originally from Smithville in Clarendon. Peck died after a bomb-laden vehicle exploded outside a shopping mall in Libya, eastern city of Benghazi. Commissioner of Police Major General Anthony Anderson paid tribute to Peck, a former corporal who served for the JCF for 14 years between 1979 and 1993. Peck was committed to public service and bettering the lives of others, both while at the JCF and in the most recent role as Field Service Officer with the United Nations Support Mission in Libya. We grieve with his family and friends and his former JCF batchmates and colleagues with whom he remained close, Anderson said in a release. Peck enlisted in the police force on March 19, 1979 and served with distinction in the St. Anne and St. Mary Division as well as Area 1 headquarters and then the Special Branch, now known as the National Intelligence Bureau. During his tenure, he was twice recognized for exemplary performance and dedication, Anderson said. On April 20th, 1989, Peck was commended for efficient and dedicated work during 1988, and on January 21st, 1993, he was commended for efficient and dedicated work done in the 125th anniversary parades and concert in 1992. Acting on behalf of Commissioner of Police Major General Anthony Anderson, Bishop Dr. Gary Welsh, Assistant Commissioner of Police who serves as chaplain for retired members, contacted Peck's widow and committed the JCF full support during her moment of bereavement. The family was also visited by Chaplain for Area 2, Reverend Anthony Armstrong, while Area 2 Assistant Commissioner of Police Albert Nelson spoke with Mrs. Peck by phone. Foreign Affairs Minister Kamina Johnson said in a tweet Sunday afternoon that the government of Jamaica was deeply saddened by the loss of Peck, and Trini was among the survivors also. So big ups to her for surviving. Condolence goes out to all of Peck's family and his wife and everybody that served with him. When there are good JCF officers, they need to be put on a pedestal and big up because they're far and few in between. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.